Today we're going to be making a fun and easy appetizer of guacamole and Thai sweet chili shrimp. I'm using these wonton wrappers and spraying a mini muffin tin with a little bit of oil. You can find wonton wrappers at most grocery stores. They're usually in the refrigerated section. Carefully place a wonton wrapper inside the muffin tin. You kind of need to fold in the sides a little bit so that way the bottom lays down flat. And then once you have them all in there, kind of open them up and spray them again with oil. We're going to bake them at 350 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes. Just keep an eye on them because they can burn. Over a pan, I'm just adding a little bit of oil and I'm cooking some shrimp. You can remove the tail if you like. It's a little bit easier to eat that way, but I kind of like the way it looks with the tail on. So once they start to turn pink, go ahead and flip your shrimp over, and then we're going to be adding this Thai sweet chili sauce. This is the Mapoy brand, but you can find sweet chili sauce at most stores as well. I'm adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons, just kind of eyeballing it. You want to cover all the shrimp and then just let it cook and caramelize in that yummy sweet chili sauce. This is so good. You can even just eat this with rice and some veggies as a meal. So after a few minutes, go ahead and turn off the heat, and then we're going to set it aside. That right there looks perfect. So I'm going to do a quick guacamole. I have an avocado here. I'm just going to add it to a bowl, and then I'm going to add a little bit of salt and lime juice. And to make the guacamole extra, by all means, you can add some onions, cilantro, even some tomatoes, whichever you like, but that right there is great. So you see, I left them in a little too long. Some of them got a little crispy, but I think these were cooked at 10 minutes. So just check them at 8 minutes, but I was able to get some nice ones that are just golden brown. So you're going to fill up the wonton cups. Keep in mind, you want to do this right before serving because it will get a little bit soggy once the guacamole sits. And then just carefully place the shrimp in there. I did end up taking off the tails to make it easier to eat. And then I'm going to spoon. I had more sweet chili sauce in the pan, and oh, you guys, it's so sticky, so yummy, and just the perfect bite. So these are great as an appetizer, a party food. You don't need any plates. You might need some napkins because it can get a little bit messy, but the flavors just go so well together. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys tried this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.